portal reminders in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how reminders nudge a rep inside their CRM, how they get scheduled, and how you dispatch the ones that are due. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Reminders from your dashboard. Reminders let you nudge a rep about something without texting or emailing them directly. It shows up right inside their CRM. Up top, I show how many are pending versus already sent, so you know what's still in the queue. Many reminders schedule themselves. When new marketing material is uploaded, I queue a nudge for the reps who should share it with their accounts. So the latest sell sheet actually gets in front of buyers. When a reminder is due, use Dispatch Due Now to send it straight to the rep's CRM, where it lands on their My Day. From this page, you can also see which reminders have already gone out and follow up on anything still sitting. This is the light touch layer for the small things that don't need a full dispatch task, like reminding someone to share a new cut sheet or check in with an account after a delivery issue.